Today, in 2025, India's LCA Tejas has become more than just a fighter jet. It's a symbol of national pride and engineering prowess. From its humble beginnings as a replacement for the MiG-21, Tejas has evolved into an entire family of fighter aircraft, shaping the future of the Indian Air Force and Navy. In this video, we'll trace the Tejas journey from Mark I to Mark II and its naval variant, the twin-engine deck-based fighter, TEDBF. Stay tuned to discover how this indigenous program has placed India among the elite nations capable of designing and producing advanced combat aircraft. Before we move forward, like, subscribe, and share to Strategic Vanguard to be updated with the latest news from the world of defense and strategic affairs. The LCA Tejas program was launched to replace aging MiG-21s and create an indigenous aerospace ecosystem. It aimed to build expertise in airframe design, avionics, weapon integration, and advanced composites, making it a catalyst for India's aerospace future. Despite early challenges like delays with the Kaveri engine, Tejas came together with the help of GE F404 engines, allowing the first Mark I variant to achieve initial operational clearance and final operational clearance. The Mark I entered service with the IAF's No. 45 Flying Dagger Squadron and quickly proved its worth. Its reliability, zero crash rate, and extensive use of composites for stealth have earned it accolades within the IAF. The upgraded Mark I-A incorporates an AESA radar, enhanced electronic warfare suite, and other improvements based on IAF feedback. The first Mark I-A deliveries began in early 2024, making the Tejas Mark I-A the IAF's workhorse in the years to come. As India's requirements evolved, the Aeronautical Development Agency (ADA) launched the Tejas Mark II program, a larger, more powerful fighter. The Mark II features a longer airframe, increased payload capacity, longer range, and state-of-the-art indigenous sensors and weapons. Powered by the GE F414IN6 engine, the Mark II aims to fill the gap left by the MiG-29, Mirage 2000, and Jaguar fleets. The fighter will also boast an indigenous AESA radar, an advanced EW suite, and compatibility with both Indian and international weapons. The Mark II is expected to take its first flight in 2025 and enter IAF service by 2028-29. The IAF plans to induct over 12 squadrons of the Mark II, making it the backbone of its fighter fleet well into the 2040s. While the Mark I naval variant demonstrated carrier compatibility, it was underpowered for naval operations. To address this, ADA launched the TEDBF program, a completely new design based on lessons learned from the Tejas program. The TEDBF will be a 23-ton twin-engine fighter tailored for carrier operations, powered by the GE F414 engine. With enhanced range, payload, and stealth characteristics, the TEDBF will replace the MiG-29K by 2031, making it the future of Indian naval aviation. Its first flight is expected in 2026-27, marking another milestone in India's aerospace journey. The evolution of the Tejas program is about more than aircraft. It's about a nation mastering the complex art of fighter design and production. Today, in 2025, India stands alongside an elite group of nations with this capability. The expertise gained from Tejas is now fueling future projects like the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft (AMCA), cementing India's role as a global aerospace powerhouse. The Tejas story is one of persistence, innovation, and a vision for self-reliance. It has evolved from a single-engine fighter into a multi-platform fighter family that will dominate the skies and seas for the next 4 decades. As we watch the Mark II and TEDBF take flight, one thing is certain. The future of Indian aerospace is brighter than ever. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know which variant of the Tejas excites you the most, the Mark II or the TEDBF. Thanks for watching. Before we close, please like, subscribe, and share to Strategic Vanguard to be updated about the latest happenings from the world of defense and strategic affairs.